guys, welcome to another video. So as y'all can see by the title, you know I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So I'm basically going to be showing y'all how to get a sleek bun or sleek puff or whatever, and how to do your edges, but I try my best. So let's get right into the video. Alright, so I'm starting off with my hair like kind of, I don't know, like it do have white stuff in it, but that's from the gel that I use. All I did was finger detangle it with some gel. So that's basically all I do before I get started with doing my sleek back. So this is the kind of gel that I'm going to be using. This puts flakes in my hair, but it's really easy to get them out. So I don't really have a problem with it, and it really holds my edges. So when I do my edges, this really works. So I don't really need edge control because that'll work anyway. So I just use this strong gel. Only strong gel hold my hair. So that's very strong and thick. So what I like to do is make a part, and as you can see I already have my side part already. I take my comb and then I create this like part so that I can keep this in place. All of this right here and on this side as well, once I make the part, I'm just going to pull it into a ponytail or whatever I want to have, but I'm gonna be making either a puff or a ball. I like to make my decision while I'm doing it. So now I'm gonna just take the gel and kind of sleek my hair to the side because I want like a low side bun or puff. Now I just take out either one of the parts. You basically just doing it section by section. That's how I do mine. But I don't put too much rubber bands in it because you don't want your hair hurting. Because my hair be hurting and my hair be too tight, and I don't like that. Make sure you get like on your neck, because I do have neck hairs. I don't know if y'all do, but I got neck hair. So if you got neck hair, you do not want your neck to be looking nappy while your hair is slick. And I'm gonna be doing the same to this. So once I tie it, I kind of let the rubber band overlap over the puff, and then that's how I make my buns. I know I got white stuff in my hair, but I usually just let my hair sit for like an hour. Then when I come back, it be so normal, like I don't have no white stuff in my hair. So I just take my little edge brush or edge comb. You basically just comb out your edges. It's basically what I do. Okay, so I do the same for this side. Alright, so I'm gonna come back in like an hour and I'm gonna show y'all exactly what it looks like. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I'm back hours later. I don't even know, like gel really turned my hair white, but usually it'll kind of go away. But I still like it, like it's still cute. It's just the gel. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what more videos y'all want to see.